Feintool has a very deep and long expertise in e-stamping, in fact 85 years going back. It starts in industrial application, pumps, heat exchangers, cooling fans for data centers, goes into automotive with main drives or auxiliary drives in automotive applications. We do a true local for local approach. That means we buy the material local, we sell the product local. So we have very little interference with duties or customs, etc. regulations. With plants in Hungary, in Germany, and since 4 years also in Asia. We have expanded e-stamping around the globe, and we are just on the brink to start this in North America as well.
The glulock itself is a process which is directly linked to the production of stamping, where we are doing the gluing of the laminations directly in the tool. So the process is on a high-speed process related to a mass production, and the parts are already coming out of the press in a final design, final geometry, final shape as the customers need them.
The requirements on tolerances are very high and very strict, but to achieve that we need our own tooling, we need our experts, we need the experience in our processes that we have to achieve these tolerances and to provide the performance that our customer requires. So at Feintool we have our whole production processes in-house, so we start with the tooling for the prototyping and then up to the serial process. So we can go seamlessly from our tool, use that in the prototype process, take the lessons learned, put it to a serial press, and then take it to the serial process.
In main motors, efficiency is everything. And our thin sheet technology, combined with the glulock, that we can provide a full face bonding onto each lamination and glue it inside the die, really provides a superior product.